ERC-20 USDT, TRC-20 USDT. What's the difference? And can you actually send one to the other? In today's video, I'll break it down in simple steps and show you a full step-by-step swap from USDT ERC and Phantom using ChangeNOW directly into my Exodus Tron wallet as USDT TRC20. Alright, so let's clear this up, and because a lot of people get confused. USDT is the stablecoin, the actual token, but ERC20 and TRC20 are just the networks it lives on. ERC20 is the Ethereum version, TRC20 is the Tron version. So yes, the value is the same, it's always one USDT, but the blockchain it runs on is completely different. Think of it like the same car driving on two different roads. This one's super important. No, you can't. You can't send ERC20 USDT to a TRC20 address. They are totally different blockchains and the addresses aren't compatible. If you try to send ERC20 to a Tron address, the funds won't show up and you'll probably lose them. So the only way to go from ERC20 to TRC20 is by swapping or using an exchange or a bridge. Never send it directly. They're both good. It just depends on what you need. ERC20 is the Ethereum version, which is more trusted, more supported and plugged into a lot of apps and DeFi platforms. But the fees can be painful, especially when the network is busy. TRC20 runs on the Tron network and it's insanely cheap to send. We're talking almost zero fees and super fast transactions. So if you want the lowest fees, TRC20 is the winner. If you want maximum compatibility, ERC20 is usually the way to go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here is a quick demonstration on how to do this swap transfer. In front of me I have an Exodus wallet with some TRX Tron tokens in it. It means that this wallet is activated and available on the Tron blockchain, and this is very important. From here you can now receive any TRX20 token like USDT. Also, it's not an obligation to use the Exodus wallet, meaning wallets like Trust, Atomic or any other will do also. Next I'm going to show you my Phantom wallet. It's somewhere here above this website. Yes, it's loading. I currently have about 11 USDT, which is very little for this swap. Therefore, if you're planning to send some small amounts to Tron, use another method. However, the website below, which is ChangeNOW, can do cross-chain swaps for larger amounts. For example, if I choose to swap ETH USDT for Tron USDT, which with only 11 USDT here, I will show you. ETH and then another USDT Tron. You see, you have to pay a lot of fees. More than half will be gas fees. That's a lot. However, larger amounts will go way better. So if I change this to, for example, 2000, it's still calculating. You can see the fee is way less. It's 1 USDT, you get 0.99 USDT. So that's a huge difference. So this website is specialized more in sending larger amounts between Ethereum and Tron blockchain. Therefore, in the next step, I'm going to show you how to swap like this on the ChangeNOW website. Okay, let's continue with this swap. Let's assume we're going to convert 2000 USDT to the Tron blockchain. I'm going to continue and click here, exchange. As you can see, we have to fill in transaction details. Again, you see the amounts we are going to exchange, the fee rates, and what we're going to get. But then I have to enter the payout address, which is the Tron payout address. And I have it here in my Tron wallet, which is right here. I'm going to copy this, close this, I'm going back and paste it in here. As you can see, the checkbox checks if this Tron address is correct. That's very nice. So from here, I will continue. I've read and agree the terms. I'm fine with this, and I'm going to confirm it. Good. From here, what you're gonna have to do is copy this address, go to your wallet. In my case, it would be Phantom. I think it's locked now. No, it's not locked. And I have to send the Ether out of Phantom by using the address that I've copied. Below you can see the process. After you have sent this 2000 USDT to the exchange, it will confirm, it will exchange, and it will send the Tron eventually back to this wallet, my Exodus wallet. That's it. That's how the process works, and it will take you about 2 to 10 minutes because 2 blockchains are involved. So that's how ChangeNOW works, and it's very helpful if you want to make cross-chain swaps. So that's the full breakdown. ERC-20 USDT and TRC20 USDT are not the same. You can't send ERC20 to a TRC20 address. TRC20 is cheaper. ERC20 is more supported. And with ChangeNOW, you can transfer USDT easily and cheap. Pay attention, however, large amounts only. Finally, if you want tutorials for Tron, Exodus or crypto transfers, let me know in the comments.